Hey everyone, welcome back to the Beavercraft carving bench. Today we're taking an ordinary block of basswood and turning it into something truly epic, a stylized geometric cougar sculpture. Some folks call it a cougar, others a mountain lion or puma. Either way, this big cat is going to look fierce, modern, and proud, perched high on its rocky base. And the best part? We'll be carving it step by step, so even if you don't have much experience, you can follow along and make your own. This isn't your everyday animal figurine. We're going for a modern twist. Sharp lines, clean planes, and a bold geometric style. This project is a great way to practice carving big shapes and refining crisp edges. The challenge here? Balancing those sharp geometric angles with the natural grace of a cougar's body. But don't worry, we'll walk you through every single step so you can go from a plain block of wood to a sculpture that looks like it belongs in a gallery. For this project, we're working with Basswood, soft, smooth, and super beginner friendly. Our block here measures about 4 by 6 by 10 inches. That's roughly 100 by 150 by 250 millimeters. It's big enough to really show off the cougar's posture and the rock base, but still easy to handle at the bench. Now let's talk tools. Here we have the G320 Big Shallow Gouge, perfect for removing big chunks of wood and shaping large curves. The K910 Medium Gouge is great for defining contours and carving those flowing shapes. Next, the C4M Sloyd Whittling Knife, your go-to for shaping, slicing, and making clean cuts. Then the C7 Detail Knife, perfect for the fine work. And finally, the K1202 Compact V tool for crisp lines, edges, and texture. We'll also need a clamp to hold the block steady, a pencil for marking, glue to attach the paper patterns, and of course, the patterns themselves, which you can download for free. You'll find the link in the description. First, we'll attach our paper patterns to the surface of the block. This gives us a 360-degree guide for carving and keeps the proportions spot on. Add glue, press the paper down flat, and let it dry. Now we get to the fun part, roughing out the shape. This is where the cougar starts to emerge from the block. Follow your pattern lines and pencil marks and start removing the bulk of the waste wood you don't need. Don't worry about the fine details yet. Think of it as waking up the sculpture, just hinting at its future shape. Keep your cuts steady, take your time, and remember, it's always easier to remove more later than to put wood back. Once the front and back profiles are roughed in, it's time to carve the negative space between the legs. This not only separates each limb, but gives the whole sculpture more depth. Start with the front legs, then move to the back, working carefully so you don't chip off any thin areas. With the basic blocky form in place, we'll attach the paper silhouette to the front of our sculpture. Trace it onto the wood so we have a clear guide for carving the curves, angles, and posture. This step helps us lock in the proportions before refining. Now the real personality starts to emerge. Bit by bit, carve away the rough edges to shape the head, shoulders, and tail while giving the rock base its bold, angular look. Keep the planes sharp and intentional. This style is all about those crisp angles that catch the light. Imagine you're folding the Cougar out of paper, but in 3D, every cut creating a new facet. This is where the sculpture really starts to take shape. We're sharpening the lines along the body, giving the face its alert expression, and shaping the paws so they look ready to grip the rock. The tail gets its final curves, and the rock base gets a few finishing touches to tie the whole scene together. In this style, every cut matters, so keep each one deliberate and clean. All right, time for those last little touches. Go over the whole sculpture, trimming any stray fibers and evening out the surfaces so every plane looks intentional. Give it a very light sanding, just enough to smooth things out without softening those geometric edges we worked on. Step back, take a look, and there it is. Your bold, modern Cougar, ready to take its place on the rock. And that's how you turn a block of basswood into an epic, geometric Cougar sculpture. This project is perfect for practicing clean cuts, learning about form, and exploring a more modern carving style. Grab the free pattern, give it a go, and share your results with us on social media. We'd love to see your creation. And hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our carving tutorials. Happy carving, everyone!